Part 2, I said, now it is important to let you know, say, this whole part 1 and part 2 no, is being put together so that you understand whatever is happening and appreciate the process. Court or any the new events are popping up from court. Because Enra 26th of June 2025, now your court, na Kofi boat, our court one. But then a Joe dear, or my extradited no Eden the court, Enra Kwana no extradited that a Joe, Eden the choir. So what is the actual conversation from court? Because whatever happened on the 20th of June, no, Ama, it created a notion on social media. So said, Kofi boat, denied the $100 million allegation. And now Bethy, this reports out social media. So no, say Kofi boat, denied say onye involved in any $100 million scam, any idea. It is say they say foreign affairs minister. Ababe kasa omoni FBI partner say ombe extradite Ghana for bi omo involved in $100 million scammer Kofi boat deny say no a force. But what was the actual conversation a course or court, and what is the context? Because it is important. Say ubenim the actual fact of the matter. Say na be okay bia obehu say na obi say aka wasem esiafa. Enti e wo ye bra penya ma ya de ba report or train. Or let's see out 10 things. The first 2 parts of the things or pointing out, are talking about the irregularities. Kofi Boat's lawyers raise as objection to Kofi Boat's arrest warrant. FBI 43 US say a lack proper authentication. Say a follow protocol, papa. Omudi free US and omudi to interior minister, no matter to court. Some person will Kofi Boat echo. Point 3 to point 7 about how our FBI for linky Kofi Boat to Frederick Asante. I'm a church and I say HL in the previous video no, with respect to FBI for case no. And I'm going to say Kofi Boat and Frederick Asante a legit business. Nasika Kofi Boat chama Frederick Asante na sika cost between Kofi Boat and Frederick Asante krano. Less than $300,000. After so FBI for misinterpreting rates are Kofi Boat use here. A warm conversation, and I say rate of you see on conversation to be something illegitimate, but a legit business. And Sikano, and do $100 million in that day, and a man for a say Kofi Boat involved in $100 million scam. Okay. Almost also Kabium say Kofi Boat, I express or you're willing. So I don't know who crab US, no more trying to say US for Eka Chinese or more US. I'm on my child. It is saying a case no quantity. Ebema Ghana for in on the 1st of July say Tio say on my extradite Kofi Boat and now say or more extradite no. These are the points that am I other bra and they were 2 social media so. And I've told you say if you understand PR and communication, you understand that particular post by Ebra Penny Amayadebra. And listen, in law, nobody is guilty. Nobody is guilty until proven by a competent court. Nobody is guilty. And the fact of the matter is said, court I work Ghana has say no, ain't to me determine whether Ebra and Ebra Penny Kofi Boat is guilty or not guilty. Court I work Ghana has say no. I am magistrate court or Mudi Ebra Penny Kofi Boat. Derek Van Yeboa, Inusa, and our face no Patrick Kwame Asare, Ekoko Piemu no. A quarter, Eba determine say, Kofi Boat, yeba extradite no, and now say ye extradite no. So in the first place no, and yes, our quarter, and no may determine, say Kofi Boat involved in the $100 million scam. A foreign affairs minister. Eka say omobua FBI for more extraditing Kofi Boat involved in that scheme no. You get it. Now, this is the explanation as to how some of these amounts and that's the figures, no, FBI for coming by some of these figures. So FBI could be investigating similar events. What I say? Similar pattern. Maybe a pattern no more investigating. No. Oman will say through SB, through CARES, through EIDO, through Oman scam, through say. And that's how account we know amount say involved no $100 million. And so okay, in the first case, I may bet you in part 1 no. That group of 4 no the total amount no 50 million US dollars. It doesn't mean say every single individual be no involved in 50 million and 50 million US dollars in the account. But out of 50 million US dollars, no, and omunya 18 million for Farouk, and omunya 20 something million for your friend is saying Frederick Asante, and omunya 2.3 million for Lord Enin, and omunya ahi million for your friend is saying Freeman. So when they put all those figures together, then they get the total figure. Omu feel say some particular cell no omuye involved in. That's why I'm saying say until proven guilty, you are innocent. So it is right for Kofi Boat lawyers say or more argue say the anamso Emma Frederick Asante more linking it to Kofi Boat no amount less than 300,000 US dollars. Now some amount in the crown a legit business because that is the same argument Frederick Asante lawyer put here our court in front of the FBI and some FBI for a baby ruling out on more evidence. I 50 gig, anyone 50 gig of phone records. And Sana Frederick Asante urging the phone so ediatum. So it is right. There is nothing wrong with that. Now, the other objection, Yebra Kofi Boat, a lawyers, raise here our court no, had to do with authentication, right? Because social treaty no, just say my US for a request to say extradite obi based on Bonia in Ipano Edino. So Bonia political untumi extradite no. What I say ever go PM US on by Bonia or Honoma, you bet me extradite obi. Say Nipani fit is our Bonina. I was say extradition request no. It go through Ghana, your diplomatic mission. I was US on I was say go through omo. Now baby PM our America on diplomatic mission I want Ghana. Now baby call interior minister honomo and sana akwa court. Eti yebra Kofi Boat and lawyers raise the objection say Ghana ye name say your embassy US honomo or Washington. At the time I this her request to Ibano. Na embassy Washington no. Why wanna go through? Inti no and no raise your court or objection and no raise your court say omo say Ghana diplomatic mission no. Ekra enya this particular we are first saying extradition request no ehwe who say ampa enipa no Ghana ni and ampa some more extradite no. Do you get it? Inti no and no raise sa objection no. Our court on the 20th of June. However no on the 26th of June, and rap. Omo the Yebra Kofi Boat in Kwa and a BPM court. And come a course or court and say, Omo drop it, sa objection now, make here on the 20th of June. About extradition request, no, authenticating the extradition request. Omo drop it, sa objection, Omo person because sa objection, Omo person because Omo drop it, sa objection. Now, any FBI for and they prosecuting Kofi Boat our court honum. Ghana, ya Attorney General and they prosecuting. Ain't our court honum. Deputy Attorney General Justice Remsai and the Ejine Muma Ghana by no. And a Kofi Boat lawyer so Ejine Muma Kofi Boat. Ain't Enra Kofi Boat in Kwan and no more than a bar court for that particular conversation. Conversation now course so court no. And revealing a few things because so anima. And I said, if you understand PR and communication, you understand that particular post and you will see it. Wow, Tomo drop his extradition. Our court. And I'm about to command to say, but still, I'm almost standing by the fact, say, Kofi Boat ne Frederick Asante link no my link your mono. Sisi, I don't want about figures, but on back about timelines, just say, Kofi Boat now on the business before 2020, I share Frederick Asante no, and a business no, which was a legit business. And a Kofi Boat SAS won the business even after 2020. Ogusu ran in the business. And to Kofi Boat and your bonibia, and no they are standing by it. Kofi Boat, are you ready? Tio, are you ready? So we go PMU, US. Now we defend it, Sassam. Now, send a bear Kofi Boat, Benya Quay defend it, Sassam waiting. Oh, here, quite say, obey to me, gather the business documents. And on Baba mention or court on say Kofi Boat company it's a company no spanning from Techiman to bear takradi wa employ nipa be 300 na business o ye no say cold store and a Kofi boat no erane. Na Kofi boat no o here time say the baby to me gather some business documents ni na no. No way to me go face trial. E wo US on no prove say ampa or ye innocent man. It remember say I've told you from the start of this conversation say ya accuse wa we innocent until proven guilty. We innocent. Enti Kofi boat lawyers esre court no say omone Justice Remsai and say ono no deputy attorney general akasa ama omaji atum say almost say court no ma Kofi boat some time. Now remember say o Ghana ye extradition treaty ni mu say wo request it say o person we extradite you obi na say process need 2 months enipa no jai no o to me extradite him you right but Kofi boat there no enya di 1 month impoye Inti the lawyers say omoni Justice Remsai or Jinamuma state no akopen cross court no e ma Kofi boat sometime no to me gather the court ni business documents no and because who be here no say na be obetumi de kokko pie mu e wo US no akokko face the trial no enti initially omo request for 14 days because judge no state emphatically said Kofi boat e wo 15 days so the be free Ghana has so Kofi boat will be extradited or 15 days so the be free Ghana has however no omo per 14 days e wo no omo dey aboabo document no and na state attorney no Justice Remsai in the Jinamuma state no e counter say dey be omo do him Kofi boat 14 days because or say Kofi boat arrested before the flight no enti omo Kofi boat 10 days enti Korea say the judge no G2 mu say Kofi boat omo ni 10 days but document no enye Kofi boat na be fi Accra akoko gather document no enti court no ehye say ye chi obi na say ye extradite na police no and as a state no and they take you over nipa no e confiscate nipa na assets and properties ni business ina enti no state ni be ye nipa mienu na Kofi boat akasa so eyi nipa ba ako efi ono ne side aba na nipa miensa we aka bom na no de omako akọ gada Kofi boat ni business document any documents bia kaka ho bia ebi wo yoko ho no mo any ade no mo de aba ma Kofi boat na wetumi akọ kana asem e wo US inte Korea ase no omo yi Kofi boat yere na afa so omo yi nipa mienu from abemu and so omo ni Kofi boat yere e na betu saa na mo no. Also there was another issue a poppy up for court on say Kofi boat e wo health challenges kakra enti no omo tumi fa no enko to nsawam enti omo tumi fa Kofi boat enko konto nsawam dia na dia wo so mo keep Kofi boat no e wo NIB4 omo facility enti Kofi boat e wo NIB4 akache enye nsawam e no mo di Kofi boat e koye enti enra no the court case no was only focused on Kofi boat say the lawyer say objections to mo raise here earlier about extradition letter no authentication problems are more raise here wo honi ade no omo drop sa objection no but almost standing by word say Kofi boat or a legit business owner before 2020 any after 2020 the business that shall honomo or only Ice Food Limited or also only EMB Foods Limited as a company over 13 branches I be what a chiman to takra ni ade it is summary ombeka ko boabo the document ano the document no ka ko boabo no Kofi boat yere e na afa so aban mu nipa mienu e na beka bom na de omechima no maka ko boabo asa document ni na no omboabo document na no wi a fiti enra no eba no omo kan 10 days so omo de betumi edi dwuma no omo tumi di sa dwuma ni wi a Kofi boat e wo 5 days 5 days no the 4 days ebe home na the last day no omo trigger habeas corpus no de mremu ema obi kwan se o release obi de ma another entity what is it o release obi body de ma another entity the state no omo wi a sa 15 days no state no ebe release Kofi boat de na ama FBI for na FBI for etumi di nako but kopim se ombeka asem na wie no eye enkofo na Kofi boat appoint no which in this case ne yere na nkofo na aban be yi omo no and a bear running Kofi boat businesses. No matter Kofi boat property so at the amano. Kopim say asem no mo waka wo US no on be carry. Sa asem no mo carry na se Kofi boat or ye Ghana ni ode bema. Or be back no ba be enjoy any life as a businessman. Says so therefore na no die way chire bia no say bia mra no beka so mo confiscating the businesses on the properties bi ni ade no or me go through that process no so smoothly. Inti ene so mo ba be stalling the business e wo my Ghana mu the business e be koso nemom aban eni be ko business ni mu bi na Kofi boat yere nso eni akọ business ni mu bi enti say bia wahu awo social media so say bi obi si o yama Kofi boat bill ebi obi si o ye jai Kofi boat obi si o ye di Kofi boat akonsa woma. These are the facts of the matter. The fact of the matter is say objection no omo raise on the 20th no omo drop it. The fact of the matter no and say omo state say Kofi boat a legit businessman. The connection with Frederick Asante no was only in 2020. Before 2020, now Kofi boat on the business that Ice Foods and affairs with EMB over 13 branches or a businessman or documents or bet me prove it or more Ghana documents no at the amount within 15 days or 10 days so any Sabeka documents no the remaining days no the be home on the 15 days on Metriga Hebers corpus no more the Kofi boat ama FBI for nine the Kofi boat and your more kaka no or mahwe some do more and koko PM or USA no how defend the home or USA. In the meantime no Kofi boat a home fan no into NI before aka check pim say 15 days no aka no ebeso a high gossip since for nyame adoma ye besa so koko pim or court biom na de ni ahwe de besi with respect to Derek Van Yabwa Patrick Kwame Asare and our face so Enusa aka Pascal Magraheb.